Hi guys, this is Yuki for another video, and today we're gonna dive in the crazy world of meme coins on Solana. You see, while I was trying to relax on a holiday with family in the countryside, I was actually harassed by my brother who kept asking me, how the hell do you find those meme coins with crazy profits? So today I'm gonna show you one very promising coin. It's called Vibes on Solana. I'll explain how to buy it and why I think it's a good bet. But first, a little more about meme coins on Solana. Obviously, nothing I say is financial advice. This is high-risk gambling trading, and the purpose of this video is to show you how to maximize your chance of success. And for that, you have to understand that trading meme coin is a player versus player game. For you to win, someone has to lose. And to win, you need to have the information before everyone else. To get the information before everyone else, you need to be part of groups on Twitter, private chats on Telegram, and Discord servers to get the right call at the right time, because you don't want to be chasing green candles when everyone else is already ready to sell. So don't forget that 99% of these coins go to zero. However, if you follow some simple rules, you can maximize your chance of getting a really high profit. And then the risk versus reward ratio can be very interesting. So let's go and check that Vibe coin. Only yesterday, someone I know from a private group of investors told me about this coin. And this coin has just only been created. It means you won't see it on CoinMarketCap, you won't even see it on Radium. Basically, you can hardly find it anywhere else than the Pump.Fun platform. I'll put the link in the description. So here we go. So as you see, this platform is here to make sure your investment is as safe as possible. Pump prevents rugs by making sure that all created tokens are safe. Each coin on Pump is a fair launch with no pre-sale and no team allocation. It means no team will dump half the supply on your shoulders or run away with the liquidity. Your funds are never locked, you can always sell. It doesn't mean that you will win, but at least no one is cheating here. Let's click I'm ready to pump. And we directly land on the Vibe charts, which looks really healthy. With a market cap of only $11,000, you can hardly be earlier on any project. Let's scroll down and we'll see lots of positive comments from the community. So once you've checked the chart and got all the information from your alpha groups, you can now connect your wallet and decide how much you want to invest. Because we're on Solana, the wallet we're going to use is going to be the Phantom wallet. If you don't already have a Phantom wallet, you'll have to go to the Phantom.app website, click download, and download the Phantom extension for your favorite browser. Once you've installed the extension, you'll have to create a new wallet, and then in this new wallet, you can click deposit. This will give you the address of this wallet where you can send Solana from Coinbase, Crypto.com, or whichever wallet or exchange you're using to store your Solana at the moment. Back to Pump.Fun, you can now click Phantom to connect your Phantom wallet to the website. There you go, my wallet is now connected to the website. And now very easily, I can decide the amount of SOL I want to trade for Vibes. Since this is very early, a small trade will guarantee quite a big allocation of token. My personal goal for this token is between times 50 and times 100. I try to keep my meme coin allocation below 5% of my whole crypto portfolio. So if you were to trade 1 SOL, you would get roughly 15 million Vibes right now. I'm not going to place the trade since I already invested around here and I'm already up 25%. But as I said, my goal for this one is much higher. And hopefully this cute dancing cat is going to pay for my next trip around the world. At any time after buying, you can come back to this page, connect your wallet, and trade your Vibes back for Solana. That's it for the video, guys. I wish you all the success in your gambling trade. And until the next video, ciao ciao.